All right, and now I'm gonna show you guys a way that JennAir wins within the technology space, and this is with our culinary center built into our V2 wall ovens. You're gonna notice when we come here and click that culinary center, it's going to be a how-to step-by-step guide for specific items. Let's go ahead and choose that beef tenderloin, and then we're gonna press next. And notice here how the rareness level will change as you click from rare to medium well. Notice how the color will correlate with how that meat will be prepared. So let's say we wanna do medium. We're gonna go ahead and press next. And it also gives you the option to select the type of pan that you're using. We'll go ahead and press next. And then it's going to even tell you how many racks within the oven and the placement for them, as well as it's going to show you where to put that meat probe within the meat. At this point, you would just press start and it takes all the guesswork out of the cooking experience for you. Be sure to check them out for a hands-on experience at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center, located in Studio City, Calabasas, Torrance, and Costa Mesa, California.